Hello, Chris Greene here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today I want to tell you my story about when I bought a property in a flood zone and why I've been helping people solve this same problem for the last 12 years. You see, it was back in 2012. We had found this beautiful home on almost 2 acres, really just down the street from where we were living. We weren't even looking for a house. Decided to put an offer in. Everything's going smoothly. We get about 2 weeks before closing. Guess what happens? They come to us and say, hey, you're in a required flood zone, which is going to require you to purchase flood insurance. Oh, your flood insurance is going to be $3,000 a year. It's not going to work. It's going to make your monthly payment just too high for this to work. Of course, we were devastated. What do you do here? I go to the insurance company I worked for at the time. They didn't have a solution. I speak to the realtor who had the property listed. They didn't have a solution. I even go to the mortgage company. They didn't have a solution. You see, I have an educational background in flood mitigation, so I knew there was a solution out there. So looking at this property, I saw that a recent flood map had changed. What does this mean? It meant it was being moved from a non-required area to required. This meant this was a grandfathered property. This meant I could go back and get the flood insurance premium at the time down to about $350. That's exactly what I did. So we got closed on that property with a rate of $350 a year, not $3,000. And then down the road, we actually did a flood zone change on this property, having it completely removed, helping to increase the property value about 10%. Recently, this property sold for about $150,000 more than what we bought it for after we had done this flood zone change. So you see, that's my story, and that's why we help people like yourself every day solve these problems. So we look forward to helping you, whether it's with a flood zone change, a flood insurance solution, understanding the flood risk on a property. That's what we're here for, providing coverage for now, education for the future. My name's Chris Greene, President and owner of the Flood Insurance Guru. Thank you.